Howdy guys, in today's video of the VinylCut, we'll be looking at the offset paths feature. Let's just have a quick intro here. Well, today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and we upload videos daily, so keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, back in the program here, now the offset paths. That's quite a handy feature. You can use it on different shapes. I'll be just demonstrating it on text for this purpose or for this sample. But basically what you can do is you can grow the size of your text or your shape or reduce it. So let's just quickly look. Let's say we select our outline text here, and then to locate it, you can go on top here to path, and then we go down to offset path. Now if we zoom in here, wait, let's first set it so we can't zoom while we're busy. So in any case, so if we look here, we can see so far this is going to be the current offset, so it's going to increase the text by this much, and that'll be the new shape. So what we can do is we can go here to we can set it from regular, rounded, or bevel. So this will obviously be the corners and that, how it will react to it. I'll just keep it on regular. You can also then set the multi here, which is if you want to maintain more of the original shape. In any case, so then we've got the offset slider here. So if we adjust this, then in our preview you can see how it adjusts the offset. So let's just grab something rather reasonable without overlapping text to the previous shape. So then if we click OK here, then you'll see this is the new shape now. Now keep in mind, if it was text, it will no longer be text, it won't be editable. It will turn it into groups and shapes. So that is one thing to keep in mind. Now let's say you have this title but it's just too broad, where the other one was just too skinny, then we can do the same thing with it selected. We can go to path, go to offset path, and now what we want to do, we can actually set insert offset or inset offset in any case. So then now we zoom in here, you can see now it's actually going to reduce the shape. So with the slider we can increase it, and then until you have it where you like it, you click OK, and you'll see now you have your new width and height. But like I said, this keep in mind with text, it does remove text capability, but this also does work on normal shapes and so forth. So if you have a cutout of something and you need to reduce it or increase it, then you can always use the offset paths feature. Otherwise, we head to our website here. If you guys navigate to softwaretraining.co.za, you can find this video and more like it. We have a variety of different software we do cover, and we upload videos daily. So just if you want to isolate your search. Otherwise, if you don't find what you're looking for, you can always go here, request a training video, and then we'll make that for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.